Psytrance kick sound design. The basis of any Psytrance track is kick and bass. They should go well with each other and complement each other. When creating a kick from scratch, you need to know in what key your track will be and the bass accordingly, and what BPM the track will have. This is because with different BPM, the kick length will be different as well. If in the process of writing a track you decide to change the key or tempo, then you will have to reconfigure many parameters for kick and bass. Let's make the speed of our future track at 145 BPM. We will teach you how to create a kick and Sonic Academy kick too. The main rule in Psytrance is that the kick's length should not exceed half of 1/4 of the bar. Let's take a closer look at this rule. In one bar, we have 4 kicks. Accordingly, we have one kick playing every quarter of the bar. The length of 1/4 of your track is calculated using the formula 60,000 divided by BPM. In our case, 60,000 divided by 145 equals 413 milliseconds. We divide 413 by 2, which will give us 206 milliseconds in a half. This is the length of our kick. Having cut the MIDI by half, it will not give a result. The kick will play without changes. You can limit the length of the kick only in the Kick 2 plugin itself. Let's set the launch parameter to about 1100 milliseconds and go to the AMP section. We cut off the kick by 206.5 milliseconds. And we make an envelope of the signal of approximately this shape. Next, go to the pitch section. And we adjust the envelope approximately in this way. In order for the kick to sound well with the bass, we must make the second half of it smooth without changing the pitch. Divide the value of 206.5 in half. We get 103 milliseconds. In the interval between 103 and 206 milliseconds, the pitch in the kick should not change. Knowing the tonality of the track and the bass, we set the pitch of the second half of this note. In our case, we will choose the key of F. Select in the click section which thread is the appropriate hat and configure its parameters. The click also configures in the AMP section. In order to make room for a click in the mix, we will remove the attack from the kick in the AMP section a little, using scaling. turn off the built-in equalizer and distortion.